Hello children, I hope all are safe. We are going to see class 7 number system. We have learnt about addition of integers. Now it's time to know properties of addition. Properties of addition. They are closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity and additive inverse. Let's start with closure property. What is closure property? When we add two integers 7 plus negative 2, what do we get? 7 plus negative 2 is equal to 5. The result 5 is an integer. This proves that for any two integers a and b, a plus b is also an integer. Since addition of integers is an integer, integers are closed under addition. This property is known as closure property. Next property is commutative property. Look at the picture. What do you observe? If we interchange the position of the integers, the result remains the same. For example, 18 is added to negative 8, the result is 10. And negative 8 is added to 18, the result is also 10. In the same way, negative 5 is added to negative 15, the result is negative 20. And negative 15 is added to negative 5, the result is also negative 20. This proves that for any integers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. This property is known as commutative property. Next, associative property. Look at the picture. What do you observe? There are some fruits. Each fruit indicates an integer. Consider three integers 2, 3 and 4. Now we are going to add these three integers 2 plus 3 plus 4. By BIDMAS rule, first we have to add 3 plus 4 which is equal to 7, and then the result 7 is added to 2, that is 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. In the same way, 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 4 which is equal to 9. Hence, 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. In general, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Let's see another example. Consider three integers 5, negative 2 and negative 6. If you add 5 plus negative 2 plus negative 6 is equal to, by BIDMAS rule, we have to evaluate the values inside the bracket and then the result is added to negative 6. That is 5 plus negative 2 plus negative 6 is equal to 3 plus negative 6 which is equal to negative 3. In the same way, 5 plus negative 2 plus negative 6 is equal to 5 plus negative 8 which is equal to negative 3. This proves that for any three integers a, b and c, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. This property is known as associative property of integers under addition. Fourth property is additive identity. When we add this number to an integer, the integer remains the same. Do you know what is that number? Yes, it is 0. If you add any integer to 0, you will get the same integer. Let's see examples. 0 is added to 13, the result is 13. And 13 is added to 0, the result is also 13. In the same way, 0 is added to -8, the result is -8. -8 is added to 0, the result is also -8. That is, for any integer a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. Therefore, 0 is called additive identity of the collection of integers. Next, additive inverse. If -10 is added to 10, what do we get? We get 0. In the same way, 35 is added to -35, that is also 0. Therefore, for any integer a plus -a is equal to 0. That is equal to -a plus a. Therefore, -a is the additive inverse of a. Let's recall the properties of addition. Closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity and additive inverse. Children, now you know the properties of addition. Let's see subtraction of integers in the next video. Till then, try the following. First one, find the missing integers. Second one, name the property for the following. Thank you.